In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get free ebook from RedShelf. The first thing you need to do is visit the website studentresponse.redshelf.com. You have to make sure that you are on the right website in order to find the ebook. So let's begin. First, let's create an account using your designated student email. You have to select login, but we're not going to log in yet. We're going to select create an account. We're going to fill in and put our first name, last name, the email address, which will be the designated student email, and then type the email again, put in a password, confirm it, add your date of birth, and then you can search the school. Make sure to type in the correct spelling of your school. If you can't find the school, you can also click this checkbox and then just type the full name. Additionally, you have to make sure that you read their terms of use and select or put a check mark, as well as their privacy notice. When you're done filling in the form, go ahead and click Create Account. Once you're done creating the account, RedShelf will send you a confirmation email. Confirmation will look similar to this one. It just tells you to verify the account. So you just click the red button to verify. Once you verify the account, it will take you back to RedShelf. Most of the time, it will automatically log you in, so you don't have to log in. But since I already created my account, I have to log in back. So let's go ahead and log into the account. So I'm going to put in my email address and my password and click login. So since I already added a book, it will show it here. But if you don't have anything here yet, we're gonna click search, and we will need the ISBN of the book. So I'm just going to choose sample here, paste the full ISBN, and then start searching. If RedShelf is providing ebook for that particular book, then you have a search result. So for this one, it's the psychology. You can either click view details or click the title, and that will take you to a more detailed information. So just make sure that you read the additional information or additional book details so you're aware of what you're getting. So let me go back to that first page. Over here, if you notice that it will tell you that your book will be available until May 25th. So if this is the correct book, go ahead and go back to view details. The next thing that you need to do is you have to add it to my shelf. So click this button here and it will process, and that book will be added to your account. It will also send you an email confirmation letting you know that you added a book in your library. So once you added the book that you're looking for, you can go ahead and start reading. Just click the button that says start reading. So once it's loaded, it looks like the default version is it's going to be fully zoom out, so you can, or zoom in, so you can make it a little smaller so it's easy to read. You can click your sidebar menu here and it will give you some other features of the book. It looks like it has the flashcards, study guide. So this is the full book resources. All right, so that's it. That's how you search for your free digital ebook using RedShelf.